As the first step, we remove the safety blocks of the vibrating channels, taking off the wooden pieces and unscrewing the 3 screws present on each channel. Next, we turn on the doser and perform the calibration of the load cell. To do this, we enter the calibration menu and press enter. At this point, we place the 1000 G weight, supplied with the machine, on the load cell, and wait for the calibration procedure to be completed. Once calibrated, we set the weight of the dose we want to perform, for example, 300 G. Then, we load the product into the doser and press start to perform the first dose. During the first doses, the weight may not be perfectly accurate. In this case, we empty the doser and adjust the opening of the paddles located on the vibrating channels, in order to control the product's descent speed. We then perform a new test dose. If the weight is still not accurate enough, we empty the product again and adjust the vibration intensity of the vibrating channels by gradually increasing or decreasing the voltage. We repeat the dosing tests until the desired weight is reached.